Hello everyone, I am Shraddha and today I'm here to guide you on how to create, manage and share Google Contacts directly from ContactBook. Before starting, let me give you a quick brief on ContactBook. ContactBook is a contact management system that lets you create and share Google Contact labels with Gmail users and G Suite team members by automating your contact sharing process. ContactBook essentially share labels of your Google contacts. So you will have to tag your Google contacts to relevant labels so you can share them using ContactBook. You can do this easily by logging into your Google Contacts account. Okay, so let's get started with the actual process. Firstly, log into ContactBook by signing in with your Gmail or G Suite email address. After signing in to ContactBook, you would be able to see the labels and contacts which you might have previously created on Google Contacts. Now, if you wish to share them, you could directly share them or you could also create new labels and add contacts to them and then share. I'll show you how to create labels and contacts from scratch and then we will share it with other Google users. Let us start with creating a new label. Now let's say you manage two teams and you want to keep separate contacts shared with both the teams. In that case, you could create two separate contact labels for them to organize their contacts and they can have access to relevant contacts. Here we create a label for the first team and would name it as support team. And the same way we would create a label for the sales team. The labels have been created and now you can start creating contacts for both the labels. While you create contacts, you can choose if you want to keep the same contact in multiple labels. So if you have a contact which should be available to both the teams, then you can assign both labels to that contact. You can also add relevant notes for the contact. Now the same way you can create multiple contacts in the same label. After you are done with creating labels, you can share this label with relevant team members by choosing the Share with Users button on the right side of the panel. You just need to fill in the email address of the team members. You can share a label with multiple team members simultaneously and manage edit permissions for them. As you can see, the label has been shared with them and it will be visible to them in their Google Contacts. When the shared user signs in with their email address in Google Contacts, they will be able to see the labels shared with them. Let's have a look. In this case, sales team is created. And we are done. Isn't it really a quick way of creating, managing and sharing your Google Contacts? Well, I'm sure you wouldn't agree any less with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. In case of any question, let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.